Are you alright? Are you hurt? What happened to you? Yeah, they must have slipped me something. I woke up almost a day later with a pounding headache and you were gone. I've been tracking you ever since. I'm sorry. Yeah, a bit, here and there. The last time I let my guard down, I got drugged and you got abducted. I can't let something like that happen again. That's kind of you to say so, but I can't let something like that happen again. Then you'd be the exhausted one. I'll lay some traps, make the next campsite secure. Aye, cross me heart.
At last. I hope you found the place all right. And you shouldn't be here.
But here I am. And you haven't tried to kill me yet?
No, that seemed potentially wasteful, given your impressive skill set. You are sworn to our new sister, yes?
The bond between us runs deeper than a simple promise. But to be clear, yes, I am sworn.
Good. Then I trust that, in protecting our initiate, you will bring no harm or danger upon this sanctuary. I doubt I need to explain what will happen if you do. For now, I shall allow your presence here to continue.
As you will, then. Are you staring at something?
Your tattoo.
Aye. What about it?
I know what it means. I know what you are.
You don't know anything about me, girl.
I know you can't wash the blood from your hands, any more than you can wash that ink from your skin. It's nothing to be ashamed of here. If anything, I'm impressed. Oh, and don't call me girl. I'm 300 years your senior, young man.
I'm not apologizing for looking at a child and not thinking of her as a grown woman.
Well, that's fair, but I'd advise against patronizing me again.
So, this is your new family? I'm hardly one to judge. I've kept stranger company in my time. Well, but better stranger than most, I'll admit. And they're such a friendly bunch already. So, what drew you to it? To assassinations? True, but bounty's illegal. Alright, you got me there. There's something I've been wondering though. You still saved my life in that prison. I knew at the time you didn't have to. Now knowing you're with the Brotherhood, I'm wondering again. Why? You did. I think I know what you mean. Once you healed me and my head was clear again, there was a moment I had this strange feeling. Like we'd met before. But you'd shown me more than mercy and I was grateful, so don't worry, I'll keep your secret.